First, I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 34 for grade 3 mathematics. What we are studying, the topic which we are studying, that is rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. And you better know about the rounding off to the nearest 10 now, because we have discussed this many times. I will repeat it one more time, guys. Whenever you are rounding off to the nearest 10, you just have to check the ones number. Okay, the ones number you will check. If it is more than 5 or great, if it is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 on the tens place. Like 7 is more than 5, you add 1 on the 7, and on the ones place there will be always 0 whenever you round to the nearest 10. So 67, 70 coming to the 36. On the instead of 6 you write 0, and instead of 3 you will write what? 6 is more than 5, so you will add 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Same here, 97, 7 is more than 5, add 1 in 9, 10, and write 0 on the ones place as it is. In 12, 2 is less than 5, so don't need to add 1 here, write 1 and add 0. Clear, right? Clear, guys? Do you have any problem in rounding to the nearest 10?
No, sir.
No.
No, that's very good. That's very good. We started the question in the which is on the book. Which amounts have been rounded down? If these were prices in a shop, would the shopkeeper accept the rounded down amount? So, guys, what was this question about? Like, this is 12 centi. This is 12 cent. But when we round off to the nearest 10, so it becomes 10 cent. So it becomes less now. It is not greater, so it becomes less now. So this amount is rounded down. But if we see 97 cent, so before that it was 97, but right now it is $1. Right now it is 100 cent, so it is more, so we rounded up this amount. So the question is, which amounts have been rounded down? So you can see from here, this is $1.23, so it is 1.20. So it is also rounded down. Before that, they were one, it is the that thing was cost with $1 and 23 cents, but now we rounded down $1 and 20 cents. So this is rounded down. 2.50, 2.47. 2.50 is rounded up, not rounded down. 67 to 70 rounded up, 36 to 40 rounded up, and 97 to 100 also rounded up. So I will write here dollar 1.23 and 12 cents are rounded down up to dollar 1.20 and 10 cents. The second question is, would the shopkeeper accept the rounded down amount? Yes, guys. Would the shopkeeper will accept the rounded down amount?
No, sir.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
No. No, guys. He will not accept the rounded down amount. He can take more money from you, but he will not do the loss. If instead of $1.23, he take from all of the customers 1.20 cents, 1.20, $1.2. In that way, if we sell 100 products, 100 items, so he will be getting too much loss. So he will never accept rounded down amount. That's why I'm going to write the answer. No, he will not accept the rounded down amount. This is the answer. Now we will start question number 3. Question number 3 from the book. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, can you wait for us? Finish writing.
That's very good, guys. I'm skipping question number 2 right now. I'm direct after question number 1. I'm directly starting question number 3, because question number 1 and question number 3 and question number 4 are similar. They all are about rounding to the nearest 10. Okay, so that's why I'm going to question number 3 right now. So I'm going to write question number 3. The question number 3, round each weight to the nearest 10 gram. Round each weight to the nearest 10 gram. No matter, guys, whether you are asked to round off to the nearest gram, to the nearest centimeter, to the nearest liter, to the nearest milliliter, if you have to round off to the nearest 10, the formula will be same, the technique will be same. You have to round off in the same way you have learned. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Very clear, sir.
Very good. Until you are writing, I am going to write A and I will ask you the answer of A. The A is 37 gram. 37 gram. 37 gram. Yes, guys. Can you tell me the answer in the chat box? Round 37 gram to the nearest 10 gram. Share your answers in the chat box, guys. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Hamza Suleiman, very good. Jihad, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Amar, very good. Eham, very good. Karim Nasir, very good. No, Ahmad Shihab, check your answer again. Other students, why you're not participating? I am asking, you have to round off this 37 gram to the nearest 10. I need to check who is not answering. Siddiq, Karim Nasir, Bala, Abdullah, Ahmadawad, Firas, Hatim. Participate in the chat box, please. That's very good, Karim. Yeah, Machab, that's right now. Exactly, it's, yeah. Okay, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me now. 37, round off to the nearest 10. What is the answer?
40.
The answer is 40 gram. Why 40 gram? Because 7 is more than 5. So instead of 7, because you are rounding off, you will write 0 and you will add 1 in that 3 as this is bigger than 5. This is more than 5. So 3 plus 1 equals to 40. So 37 gram, when you round off to the nearest 10, it will be 40 gram. Now I'm going to write B. B is 49 gram. 49 gram. Yes, guys, can you tell me the answer? 49 gram. Round it to the nearest 10. Jihad, very good. Ammar, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. 49 gram. Round it to the nearest 10. Jihad, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Ahmad Shihad, very good. But you are missing gram. Okay, Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Hamza Suleiman, that's perfect. Ahmad Usama, good. Iyad Khalid, don't need to play. Okay, I'm going to open your mic. Round up to nearest 10. 49 gram. Yes, guys.
50 gram.
That's very good. The answer is 50 gram. Why? Because 9 is more than 5. So that's why you will add 1 in the 4, 5, and instead of 9 in the ones place, you will write 0 as you are rounding off to the nearest 10. Guys, I'm going to write now C, D, and E together. Okay, I hope you have finished it. C, D, and E. So C is 21, 75, and 84. And 84. This is we have finished. Can I go down now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's very good. Okay, 21 gram. Yes, guys, tell me the answer. 21 gram. Round it up to the nearest 10. 21 gram. Ammar Khalid, Hamza Suleiman, Jihad, Ahmad Jibrail, Iyad Khalid, Jihad Muhammad. Very good. Eham, how 80? I am asking 21 gram. You have to round off to the nearest 10. In nearest 10, the ones should be 0. You have to check the number which is on the ones place. If it is more than 5, you will add the number 1 in the tens place number. Otherwise, you will write same number with 0 on the ones. This is very simple. I'm going to open your mic, guys. See, 21 gram. Can you tell me the answer,
20
guys?
gram, 20 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram.
That's very good. That's very good. It is 20 gram. It is 20 gram. The answer is 20 gram. What about D, guys? D is 75 gram. D is 75 gram. 75 gram. Can you tell me the answer of D? Jihad, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Amro, when you answer me, then I will still call your name. Ammar Khalid, very good. Eham, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Jihad Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Shihab, very good. Yes, Amro, tell me the answer in the chat. No, Amro, your answer is not correct. 75. At the ones place, the number is 5. What I taught you, if on the ones place, the number is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 to the numbers which is on the tens place. So because it is 5, so you will add 1 in the 7. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Hamza Suleiman, very good. Abdul Hamid, very good. Okay, I'm going to open your mic. Yes, what is the answer, guys?
80 gram.
80 gram.
That's very good. The answer is 80. Why 80? Because this is 5. If on the ones place we have number 5 or greater than 5, then what we will do? We will add 1 in the tens place. 7 plus 1, 8. And we know it, whenever we round off to the nearest 10, the ones number always be 0. So it is 80. 80 gram. That's very good, guys. And your answers are correct. Coming to the E, guys, 84 gram. 84 gram. Yes, Iyad Khalid, very good. Jihad Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Shihab, very good. Abdul Hamid, very good. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Jihad. Ahmad Kandil. Ahmad Kandil, why you are answering 85? Don't you know when you round off to the nearest 10, the ones should be 0? How can you say 85? Exactly, Kareem Muhammad. Yeah, Ahmad Jibrail. Good, Amro. Kareem, Hamza. Ahmad Usama also very good. Abdul Ghaffar, Ammar Khalid. Good. Okay, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. 84 gram, guys. Yes.
80 gram. 80 gram.
Very good. The answer is 80 gram. Why? Because 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. You don't need to add 1 on the 8. Just write 8 with a 0 and it becomes 80. So this was E, and F is 56 gram. 56 gram. This is F. $56 gram. Yes, guys. Rounded to the nearest 10. 56 gram. Very good, Iyad Khalid. Ammar Khalid, very good. Ahmad Kandil, very good. Abdul Hamid, very good. Ahmad Usama, very good. Good. Ahmad Jibrail. Ahmad Shihab, good. Abdul Ghaffar, check your answer again. Why 70? Iyad Khalid, I know you know the answer. Very good, Siddiq, Anas. Kareem Muhammad, Jihad, very good. All right, guys, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys, what is the answer?
60 grams. 60 grams.
Okay, let me take one of the student. Some students are saying 60. How 60? Amro, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Amro, I can hear too much background noise from your side. I can't hear you, Amro. Ahmad Kandil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmad. 56 gram, rounded to the nearest 10. What should be the answer? Why 60? Why not 50? Hmm? The answer should be how?
6 big number.
So? Mm-hmm.
The 50 should be 60.
That's very good. That's very good. Exactly. The answer is, guys, 60 gram. Why? Because 6 is bigger than 5. When you have bigger than 5, the number on the ones place is bigger than 5, more than 5, then you will add 1 and the answer will be 0 on the ones place. Thank you. You're welcome. So this is 60 gram. Now I will write question number 4. This is 60 gram. Up to here, any problem, guys? Question number 3.
No, no, no.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
That's very good. Even before writing question number 4, there is one more question related to question number 3. And that is, which amounts did you round down? And you are going to help me to answer it. Which amounts? The question is, which amounts? Is it question number 3? Did you round down? Did you round down? Ahmad Usama, are you playing? You are not focusing in the class? So just wait for Azan, guys. 1 minute. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Mashallah. Mashallah. Okay, guys. The next, which amounts did you round down? This is very easy. You just have to check the amounts. This is 37, but when you round it off, it becomes 40 gram. This was 49, but when you round it up, it becomes 50. It is more than 50 is more than 49. 21 gram. It is now 20 gram after rounding off. So this is you rounded down 20. This is also 75. It is now 80. This is more. 80 is more than 75. 84. This is also less. But it was 84, but it is now 80 gram. So can you tell me which two amounts are rounded down?
20
21 and 84.
21 and 84. 21 and 84. 21 and 84.
24 and
21
81.
and 84. 21 and 84. 21 and 84.
Are
21 and
rounded
24.
21 and
down
84. 21.
21.
very good. 21 and 84 are rounded down up to 20 and 80. Now I'm going to question number 4, guys. Question number 4. Question number 4 is round the number to the nearest 10. Round each number to the nearest 10. Round each number to the nearest 10. Same question, guys. A, B, what is A here? 84 and 121. 121. 84 you just have finished, guys. It was 80. Okay. There was 84 gram. This is only 80. This is new, 121. Guys, can you tell me about B? 121. Round it up to the nearest 10. Very good, Ammar Khalid. 121. Can you tell me the answer? 121.
120.
120.
Another than 20. Another than 20.
Very good. You can see, guys, in 121 there are 3 digits. Okay. Before that, in all the numbers there were 2 digits, only ones and tens, but there are 3 digits now, ones, tens and hundreds. But the formula will be same, the technique will be same for rounding off to the nearest 10. For rounding to the nearest 10, you just have to check the number which is on the ones place. Because you are rounding to the nearest 10, what comes before tens place? Ones. That's why you will check ones place. If the number on the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then you will add 1 in the number which is on the tens place. This is, you have to remember. Okay. So whenever you round off, you know that in the ones place there will be always 0. Okay. 100 place will not change. It will be same 1. Yeah, you just need to find out the tens place now. It is 1. 1 is less than 5. Less than 5, so you don't need to add 1 in the tens place. It will become 120. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. I finished it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's very good. Guys, can I go down? Can I write C, D?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. I'm going down. C is 68, D is 240. 68, answer. D is 240, answer. Okay. C is 68, D is 248, and E is 43, and 103. 43 and 103. Yes, guys. 68. This is very easy. 8 is more than 5. Add 1 in the 6. What it will become? 68. Yes.
20. 20.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, sir. 70.
Very good. Very good. Very, very good. Look, 240 guys. 240 is already rounded to the nearest 10. When you round someone to the nearest 10, so their ones place is always 0. So it is already rounded off. No need to change it. Just exactly write 240. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear.
Very good. If in the question you are given the amount which I already have 0 in the
70.
ones place. What I was telling you, that if you have an amount in the question which is already rounded off to the nearest 10, don't need to round it off, write exactly same. Like, on the tens number round, when you're rounding off to the nearest 10, the ones place always 0. So you can see 240 and 240, it is already rounded off. Now coming to the E guys, 43. 43. Yes guys, can you tell me 43? Yes.
40.
43.
Very good. The answer is 40. Why 40? Because 3 is less than 5. You don't need to add 1 in the 4. Just write 4 and 0. It is 40. And 5 is 103. Can you tell me the answer of 103 guys? Round it off to the nearest 10. Remember there are 3 digits. Ones 3, tens 0 and hundreds 1. Okay, I'm checking your answer. My God, Ahmad Jibrail, Ammar, Jihad, Amro. Very good. All answers are correct. Ahmad Usama, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Hamza Suleiman, very good. Ahmad Awal, very good. Ahmad Shihab, very good. Anas, give me the correct answer. I need correct answer from you. Don't play. Yes, guys. 103.
100. 100.
That's 100. That's very good. This is the answer. Why 100? Because on the ones place, this is 3. 3 is less than 5. Don't need to add 1 here on the 0. 100 will be same 1. 0 will be same. And instead of 3, just you need to write 0. The answer is 100. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Don't need to say bye-bye. There are 5 minutes left in the class. Okay. Guys, we have left question number 2. And after question number 2, we will come to the question number 5. Question number 2 and question number 5, they both are related to the nearest 10. Okay. Now what I'm going to write, you don't need to write it. Okay. That's why I'm going to change the color of that so that you will not write. Okay. It is not good color. I will take red for you. Yes, guys. Let's suppose you have to round off 645 to the nearest 100. So the concept is different in rounding to the nearest 100. Guys, remember when I started the topic rounding to the nearest 10, I asked you that you have to check very carefully that you are rounding up to which number. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, no matter. If you are rounding up to 10, you will check what place comes before 10, that is ones. If you are rounding up to nearest 100, you will check what place comes before 100. So can you tell me what place come before 100? Tens. That's very good. That's the answer that's the answer I needed from you. So tens Now you have to consider tens. Now you will not consider ones as you were doing in nearest tens, because now you are rounding up to the nearest 10. One more thing, guys, when you round off to the nearest 10, there is only one zero which is on the ones. Okay, in the ones it must be zero. It must be zero when you round in, or when you round off any number to the nearest 10. But when you round off to the nearest 100, there must be zero, not only in the ones place but also in the tens place. Again, I'm repeating, when you round off any number to the nearest 100, so there should not be only zero in the ones place, but also there must be zero in the 100 place as well. Okay. Now, what number you should write here? That will be decided by the number which is on the tens place. If that number is more than 5 or 5, then you will add the number in the hundreds place. If that number is less than 5, then you don't need to write and don't need to add any number, and that will be your answer. Like 645 is equals to 600. Do you understand that, guys?
Yes,
That's very good. We don't have enough time to complete questions related to the nearest hundreds, and we have to practice for nearest 100 as well, and then we will do exercise as well. So I'm just asking you some questions and you need to answer it. One time I will repeat this method to you tomorrow, inshallah, and we will do also questions. But right now you need to answer me. 475, guys. Round it to the nearest 100. Can you tell me the answer?
50.
500. 500.
That's very good. Some students are saying 500. The answer is absolutely correct. Why? Because you know, when you are rounding to the nearest 100, there must be two zeros on the ones and on the tens place. Now, what should you write on the 100 place? For that, you will check the ones number, the number on the tens place, 7. If it is more than 5, add 1 in the 100 numbers. 4 plus 1, 5. But if it is less than 5, then what you will do? Don't need to add. It will become 400. Clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay. So guys, our class time is finished and I hope you have completed this. Inshallah, tomorrow we will complete this rounding to the nearest 100, and we will do practice also. We will do exercise also. Until then, take care of yourself. I'll meet you inshallah tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye.